Garden therapy is a way to get folks to connect to the natural world through gardening, through using plant materials to help deal with just all the stress and the trauma that we are all going through right now.
I just love this space. I feel like it's like a hidden little oasis, kind of. I mean, it's a cool place and I like what they're doing here. I like to just come and garden on Fridays. It's a very like stress relieving activity, but also just kind of fun to hang out with Emalyn and the other College Corps fellows, as well as just the kids who go to school here. I work at the Office of Sustainability in Chula Vista, and that's kind of my host placement, but I just volunteer here at the garden with my free time on Fridays. So,
getting involved here is really important to see. Like, not all kids like it and not all kids are engaged with it, but there are some kids that really find a lot of fun in the gardening, and it's really cool to see them kind of have an escape from whatever's going on at school. Whatever they don't understand at school or like issues with friends, they can come here and kind of quiet their mind and just like garden for a little bit, spend some time in the dirt. They don't have to talk, they don't have to pass a test or anything. It's just kind of like a space for them to relax.
It's exhilarating. Like, it's fun to know that you plant stuff and it actually grows and works and grows into beautiful little flowers.
Because I just totally thought that it was going to be a scholarship in the beginning, and then it's totally turned around what I want to do with my future, the ways that I've involved myself in the community. I just didn't expect myself to. I started a club because I never thought I would do that, and I ended up starting a club my second semester senior year. So just like led to a lot of opportunities that I wouldn't have otherwise known of or been able to take on.
I like that I have had the ability to work down in an office in Chula Vista, as well as volunteer more locally in places like the garden. I feel like it's given me a lot of chances to work in different areas and kind of figure out what I want to do moving forward. And I also just love the fact that it gives me a place to kind of volunteer and help my community.
The College Corps students, first of all, they are a godsend when it comes to just plain adult to kid ratio, because that's a really important part of the therapeutic piece, is to, once you're calmed down and you found your task, your niche, your purpose, your whatever you're working on for the day, having someone to kind of guide you through it is important. The college students are, they're majoring in things like food insecurity and climate change, and so they can have those conversations with kids where it could be just me and or the classroom teacher with 35 kids. So it's great to have the students as help, but it's great that they bring a knowledge and an experience, and they're closer in age too. So it's a win-win for everybody.